Okay, so let's begin with question number 18. In exchange of a square plot, one of whose side is 84 meter, a man wants to buy a rectangular plot 144 meter long and of same area as the square plot. Find the width of the rectangular plot. Okay, this question is very easy. So first let's write area of square plot is equal to area of rectangle. Okay, so now we will first apply the formula of square, which is side square, okay, is equal to area of rectangle is length into breadth, right? So here we need to find the breadth. So side of square is 84 meter square, okay, is equal to 144, which is length, multiplied with breadth. So 84 meter square and 144. So we will shift 144 to this side. 84 into 84 upon 144, right? So now both three of these numbers come in 12's table. So 12 12s are 144, 12 7s are 84, and 12 7s are 44. So now 7 into 7 is equal to 49, which is the breadth. Okay, breadth 49 meter. So this is our answer for question number 18, and this is it for the video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel to get more content. And do not forget to share this video with your friends so they can also get better in maths.